Let's create some validations, but before that, we have to define our button. Here, you will put button title, you will say submit and on press. So here is something different on press. Let me show you. First of all, you have to define here, let's say here, values in button. So here you will say submit equal to values, and here you will just alert your values. Okay, here is your values. It will be a array data. So let me try here, but in the Redux we have to define our handle submit. So here you have defined handle submit, and that you will use here your submit. Uh, let's say here anything my btn, and you can put here my btn. That's it. Save it, reload, put something, click. Here is your object array at the top. Okay, that's fine now. Now, one more thing. We need validation. So first of all, you have to define here your validation, validate, okay? And here you will define your validations, okay? Here you will say validate, simply same like your btn, your button. Here you will get your values. So first of all, you need declare your array about error. So here you will say errors. First of all, it's empty and return your errors. That's it. But it need a meta that contain error. Okay. And if I click here in this text box, you can say if I touch here, it need to tell me the error. So let me try this first of all, and here you will say if not values dot fname. Fname is name of your this one. Okay. Not value fname means we need a required this value. So we will say error dot fname. Please fill the fname. That's it. Okay. Now reload. You will see it's not displaying because we have to display here your error. Let's say style also color red to make it difference. Here you will say error, simple error. Close your text. Here is please fill the f name. If I fill, it must be gone. So for that, you have to make it touched. So you need this touched. Uh, that you need to display with your error. Let me show you where we display our error. Here you will say touch and error and mm, this bracket for this one, these two brackets and one. Now reload. It's fill Now if I fill, it must be by default done. So make it more changes. So you have to uh, pass one more parameter, that is input, and here on change. Okay, and here you will say on change text the on change, this one. Now if someone click here, it will be reflect a fact of your this. If everything is good, then error will be gone. Now reload. Here is, now error is gone. Now you can see this is for on chain. Let me make it more accessible. Its values dot app name dot length maximum 5. Let's say maximum 5. And here you will say error dot app name. We need first name maximum 5. That's it. Okay, reload app, click add. Now if I put character max more than 5, it display this. Now try to add 1 2 3 4 5 6. On 6 is show error. That's it. Okay, make it more. Let's say here is, I have a phone number, this phone number, and make it phone number. Okay, here you will say if values dot, first of all, yeah, it's required. That's why we need phone number. Errors dot phone number. Please fill phone number. Okay, that's it. Now if someone click on button, okay, I have a error, I think. Uh, okay, reload again. Ah, phone number we need, but we need phone number as if let's say NAN, I think number. Yeah, number values dot phone number not equal to 10. So here we are saying errors dot phone number must be 10 digit. That's it. Okay. Uh, I think I have an error here. Because here is this one. Uh, can't find number. N is equal to it. Reload. N is capital. Here, if I put name, error gone. Put number 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10. It must be number 10. Mm, actually, here is not number dot length. Here is length. Okay, length and fill the first name. Add your phone number 8 9 10. 10 is gone. If I add one more, it's showing no. Now, mm, One more thing, if I want to show my age, okay, here you can say, here you will say if values dot age error uh, errors dot age, please fill age. That's fine. Else if values dot age, here you can use number that one we 1 2 3 4 18 17, that way you can use here must be 18, or you can say above 18. Let me try this. Errors dot age need above 18. Reload, reload the app, fill age. Okay, can't find value. Oh, values. Submit, add age is 23. If I add 17, it's a need above 18. That's the validation we need. Okay, and phone number we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. And first name, yeah, not more than 5. So we use here something else. Yes. Let me make it 6 or 7. It's up to you. Reload. Here my name is 7 connector. If I put anything else, okay, maximum 7. That's fine. And phone number, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's fine. And age, my age is 76. That's fine. Now, data is received. So this is a validation by Redux Form. So that's it in this video. We will see you in the next video. So thank you guys.